So guys, before I carry on, I know a lot of you guys experience ad account bans or ad account fatigue or ad account issues. Now, if you want to solve those problems, then you do need to get an agency ad account. You can't scale to $1.2 million in revenue and not have an agency account because you'll run into loads of different issues. So if you run into those issues, you need to get an agency account. And if you want to get an agency account, join my free Discord. It's the e-commerce mentor in Discord. It's the one here with the verified badge. I'll leave it in the description in the pinned comment. And then once you join the Discord, you'll see in the resources section that we have an agency ad account inside of the Discord. So we use a company, and I use this company for all of my BMs. I'll even put proof on the screen. You'll see all the money that we send to their Wise account to top up our balances. This is the same company we use. We've actually integrated them into our Discord so you can start using them yourself. They're really cheap to use, they're really affordable, and they're really reliable. So that's why I've actually integrated them into our Discord to help out with all of our users. So if you head to the Discord, you should see it in Discord. You can communicate with them and get your agency account directly from them through our Discord. That way it saves you time, hassle, and you get good rates, and you can have reliable agency ad accounts. So I thought I'd mention that just in case you need them, guys.